Friday, November 20th at SINIX in Baltimore. November 20th. Nassau Chainsaw, Counting to Infinity, and Treason. Check out myspace.com/SINIX Baltimore. Nassau Chainsaw. Counting to Infinity.
Counting to infinity.
It's taken me 5 years to start writing this story. Maybe I just didn't want to relive this part of my life, or maybe I was afraid of what other people involved would say. But now that it's been 14 years since this all went down, I'm sure they wouldn't care anymore. My childhood was very dark, consumed and surrounded by fear. Fear of the unknown, the fear that lives in each and every single one.
And Treason, presented by Ninth Square. Treason. It's Friday, November 20th at SINIX in Baltimore. Nassau Chainsaw, Counting to Infinity. Treason. SINIX nightclub located at 525 Eastern Boulevard in Essex, Maryland. Check out myspace.com/SINIX Baltimore. SINIX Baltimore. That's Friday, November 20th at SINIX in Baltimore.